So for this exercise, we're going to practice coding hyperlinks to files in different folders. We're going to have a prototype website, and so the navigation and layout of the pages is already configured. So we're going to look at the navigation area and really look at how we can open up files that are in different folders to maneuver around our page. So we're going to get our Costa example right here. Let me create a chapter 12. 12.1. Copy these folders over. So you can see I've got a contact and an index page. In events, I have a festival and a weekend page. In images, I just have pictures. And in rooms, I have a canyon and a javelina page. So we're going to work on connecting those pages together. So if I get my index.html, let's just open it. So I can see I've got home, canyon, javelina, weekend, festivals, and contacts, right? So I have all of those going on. You can see each one takes me to the different pages where I'm supposed to go. And if I come down and I open it, notice that for my index, it links to the index. To get to my canyon, it has to go into the folder rooms and open the canyon HTML. It has to go into the folder rooms to open that file. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to go into rooms and open the canyon. Now you see here we're telling it I want you to go outside of the folder that you're in and go to index.html. I want to go where the folder you're in. I want you to go outside of the folder you're in, then go into the events folder, then go into the weekend folder. So we're going to take this and we're going to create a new room, and this is going to be called Juniper. So this is our Juniper room. Juniper room. So we're going to come here right after this one and we're going to create another list item. Okay, so there's our Juniper room. So if I save this, and now I'm going to open up my canyon and my javelina. I want to take this code right here. I'm going to add it to the canyon and to javelina. And so if I go and save this, and let's run this one. So I can see Juniper's here now. If I click on javelina, it takes me there. There's Juniper, there's canyon. Oops, I forgot to save canyon. Come back here, save canyon. Now refresh it. There's Juniper. So now I need to go and add Juniper to all of my other pages. So let's come out of here. Let's go to events. Let's open up festival and weekend. There's festival and weekend. So you can come right here and we have to do the same thing we did here. We have to tell the browser, go outside of this folder and go into the rooms folder for Juniper. So we have to do that code for weekend and festival. So if we save both of those and run them, so this is our weekend, which has Juniper, our festivals, both of them work. So then we have to do that for our contact and our home. So come out here, we'll open up contact, and we'll open up index. So for contact, we have to come down here. And instead of telling the browser to go out of the folder because it's in the main folder, we're just telling it to go into the rooms folder for the Juniper file. Oh, it's because my index is over here. Same thing, we're telling it to go just straight into the rooms folder, so we can get rid of that, into the Juniper file. So now if I launch it in Chrome, every page should have the Javelina and the Juniper room, and they should all link back to that based off of how I coded, whether I'm telling it to go just into the rooms folder, I'm telling it to come from where you are right now into this folder, or if I'm in this folder, I'm just saying, hey, just open this file that's right here with me. Or here, I'm saying you've got to go out of this folder and into this folder to find your file.